I didn't actually record last night. I was stupid for dinner, but Mom made rolls. Perfect, fluffy, gorgeous rolls. This is one though. Well, that was the before. She made rolls there, and
this morning we made French toast out of them.
Tiny little things. Is that butter or powdered sugar?
Butter.
We have powdered sugar.
Yeah, I don't put powder.
You don't like powdered sugar? No.
Only at IHOPs.
Oh, and Dad got a new coffee maker for Christmas.
Coffee tastes so much better.
Yeah, she does. Which he's waiting for his cup, so I better go get that. Guys, upstairs they're now editing videos. Yesterday, Christmas Day, which wasn't actually a lot on Christmas Day, sorry. Not really much went on for our Christmas, but I'm gonna go put Christmas and Christmas Eve together again like I did last year. Anyway, I'm editing 5 videos, I think, because this is the one I'm working on right now is gonna be December 20th. So yeah. But doing it all now. I think I'm gonna do most of them individually, except for like the Christmas Eve, Christmas Day one. Rex's Dojo. You ready for your Christmas present? You ready for your Christmas present? Are you ready for your Christmas present? Come on! I just think I just got it all focused. Are you ready?
I guess.
Fine. Look, a Christmas present. Wow, it says R. Wow. It's a Christmas present. I'm broke, so that's the only thing I could get. Cheat it.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you're making me cry. You made me cry. You made me cry.
Again? Oh. Do you like it?
Yes.
You like it?
It's cold outside too. Kinky's leaning her went inside him.
Feels like
Hi, Kinky. Kinky. Look at him. Alright, look at him. Look at him. Kinky. Kinky.
I got food.
Really? They poked me. They poked me. Okay. Kinky. Kinky. Looks like I'm ignoring you. Leave me alone. Kinky. 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 I was just like, you idiot. He called you over for no reason. Stupid enough to go over there. God. Osa! See, he just ignores me. Osa! Osa! Hi. Not you. Not you. Oh, I got Bob's butt. Oops. Lilo. Lilo. Hi. I heard the camera was out, so I had to come. Just sitting here with my brother and sister. Cat's being a bitch. I'm gonna go push him in the water.
Some of those
I do that sometimes with rock. You can pick up a rock outside and just bite it and crunch on it. I like
What?
the feel,
That was...
the texture of it.
Ew, really?
Oh yeah.
I'm zoomed in on your face. I'm zoomed in on your face. Sorry. Kinky, smile. We're looking at you, Kinky. Smile. Please pet me. Do it. Do it. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh god. Oh. Wait. Today's video is annoying to dogs. Can you not?
Like to go to the bathroom.
God. No, you
Do
do.
it. I do.
Wing and wing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right there. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Her thought, the shit I have to tolerate.
Probably feels good.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there. Oh yeah. Another Billy. Okay, the third video, Test of Pussy, is uploading right now. Then I'm gonna take a minute, watch a movie with the fam, and then work on the Christmas vlog, which will be up today, which will be up on time. And maybe start working on this one. So, see what we can do. Might want to go for a walk. Oh no! Mom's watching the videos, and I swaddled the little kitty. She looks so happy. Look at that face. Look at that face. I don't think I ever want to let her go because she might kill me. Oh, little Bob. I don't know if you can see me well. Sorry if you can't. I'll try and mesh with the shedding. So we're ending the night here. Day after Christmas. It's actually not day after Christmas anymore. It's midnight. I want to say good night. I walked back in the living room and look at this. Bamboo is crashed out under the tree. Like the little boy is, aren't you? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Anyway, I hope everyone has had a wonderful holiday. And you're getting ready for the new year. And let me say, I'll probably do this again New Year's Eve, but let me say it's been a great year. In its own way. Shitty mostly, but it's had its moments, and a lot of it has to do with you guys. I know there are only not even a handful of you that actually watch these. You guys, this channel, this thing seem to be, as some people say, wasting my time on. But oh no, I love it. Either way, I love it. What are you doing? Ruining the moment. Bomb! Anyway, I think she's trying to get corn kernels so she can play with it. I just want to thank you guys, because I don't think I ever really do. Because of you guys, I feel more open with myself and enough to do something crazy like, look at this. Anyway, just want to say I love you guys. Thank you for a great year. And also, thank you to a couple of YouTubers that did make me feel good by doing what I'm doing here and talking to you guys, talking to a camera. and maybe one day talking to more than 10 people. But yeah. Charles, the whole CTFXC community, Jesse and Gina and Roman. Those 3 channels have really got me thinking. And by most points, watching them makes me feel so much better. And all this being a button annoying the shit out was. Anyway, I'm gonna go before this turns too long. But, and take care of that. But thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Yeah. See you tomorrow.